Example 5. P, -8, -2, Q, -4, 0, and R, 4, A are on the same straight line. Determine the value of A. Solution. Points P, Q, and R are on the same straight line. If 3 points are on the same straight line, then we can equate the gradients found using any 2 pairs of points. We can then determine the unknown coordinate. Let us determine the gradients of the 2 line segments PQ and QR. Recall the formula for the gradient of a line. Substituting the values for point P and Q, we get, or m1 is equal to 1 over 2. Similarly, substituting the values for the points Q and R, we get, therefore m2 is equal to A over 8. PQ and QR are line segments on the same line. The gradients of the same line are equal. Therefore, m1 is equal to m2. From equations 1 and 2. 1 over 2 is equal to A over 8. Rearranging the terms, we have, now multiplying by 8 on both the sides, we get A is equal to 4. Therefore, the coordinates of R are 4, 4.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.